Good morning, students. Now we start English grammar lesson 4, verb forms. Students, what is verb? A verb is a word that expresses what a person or thing does, what a person or thing is, and what a person or thing has. It thus expresses either doing, being, or having. Now in this chapter, we learn about verb forms. You already know about the continuous tense. What is continuous tense? What is continuous tense? The work that we done continuously is called continue. There are 3 types of continuous tense: present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous. Future continuous tense is doing, was doing, and will be doing. As tell us about the action do, which is going on at this time, is present continuous tense. At some time in the past is past continuous tense, and will be continuing in the future is future continuous tense. Students, you will notice that each of these sentences has its own form. This is the same with all the tenses you have learned so far. Now we learn about some tenses. Simple tense. Simple tense are 3 types: simple present, simple past, simple future. Perfect tense, present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. Now continuous tense, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Since each of the verbs in the above tenses had its own form, tenses are also referred to as verb forms. Now verbs have also 3 forms. First, the root form. Root form is also known as first form of the verb. Now we learn how to change root verb, first form of verb into past tense and past participle. Students, usually the past participle is the same as the simple past tense of the verb. We add ed to the first form of verb to change the verb into past tense and past participle. On the other hand, there are some verbs that make their past tense and past participle by changing a vowel or consonant or both. Now we learn some important rules of changing first form of verb to present participle form or past participle form. Students, look at this picture very carefully. Rule number 1. In rule number 1, normally if the root form of a verb, means first form of a verb, ends in a consonant and is preceded by a vowel, the last consonant is doubled. Example, root verb is commit. When we change it into present participle, commit's last consonant is T. It is doubled in present participle and past participle. Otherwise, in simple, ing is added or ed is added. Rule number 2. If the root verb ends in e, then e is dropped before adding ing or other participles. For example, write. So, present participate or past participle is writing, written. In rule number 3, if the last letter of first form of verb is consonant and it is preceded by 2 continuously vowels, we add ing. For example, look. We change look into looking and looked. Rule number 4. If the root verb ends in ie, then ie is replaced with ying. For example, die, tie, lie. We change in present participle dying, tying, lying. Students, I have sent some PDF files and some worksheets. You have to solve your worksheet with the help of these PDF files. I hope you can understand this lesson.